We are in the process of making our entire home smart, and that includes our garage door. We want it to be able to open and close with our phones. And we also want to know whether or not it's open or closed on our phones. So we got this smart Wi-Fi garage door opener that works with HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Let me show you what you get in the box. This is the main piece. All you're gonna do is put this in your garage, power it up, and connect it to up to 3 garage doors. Once you have it connected, you'll connect it to its app, and then you can use it from the app or connect it to any of your other home systems. And the antenna can move however is best for you. So of course then it comes with its power cord and plug. And then you get 2 cables. You only need to use one of these if you only have one garage door, but they're 2 completely different lengths depending on what you need. All they really are is the connection to the Wi-Fi garage door opener. And then this is a sensor that you'll put near your garage door, and you'll connect it to this other sensor right here. They're just magnetic connection. That's how they recognize each other. And that is how you can track whether or not the garage door is open. And finally, it also connects to your garage door control mechanism itself. So this one has a 23-foot sensor cable and a 12-foot garage door connection cable. Whereas this one, both of the cables are 23 feet long. So this one gives you a lot more distance if you need it. I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and I'll show you how it works on the other side. It is now installed. We put it on top of the hardware, and we actually just ran the sensor along the top as well. And now for the moment of truth, let's test it. Hey Siri, open the garage doors.
Okay, which garage door?
And it works.
Opening the garage door.
Close the garage door.
Closing the garage door.
It's super cool. I also have it fully set up in Apple HomeKit, so it tells me whether or not the garage door is open, and I can open and close it with my phone. I am in love with this.